Hi, did you know that about 70% of students struggle with mathematics? Yes, but what if I tell you that mathematics is one of the easiest subjects? Stick around because in this video, I'm going to show you 5 awesome tips that will aid you in mastering mathematics. Welcome back. If you're watching my video for the first time, do well to subscribe and put on the notification bell. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 awesome tips that will aid you in mastering mathematics. Whether you are a high school student preparing for exam or just someone looking to sharpen your skills, this video is for you. Now, let's look at the 5 tips that will aid you in mastering mathematics. First is your mindset. How do you view mathematics? Do you see it as a big subject that you can never deal with? Remember, how you see things will determine your experience with such things. So you need to have a positive mindset about mathematics, and you need to start seeing it as what you can deal with. And again, believe in yourself. Believe that yes, you can do it, and constantly speak it to yourself. Call your name, Onyinye, I can do this. Keep on speaking it to yourself, and you see that with time you are going to see a positive result. You see yourself scaling through in mathematics. All those equations that used to look big to you, you see yourself understanding them and having a change of mindset towards it. The next one we are going to look at is don't depend on what you are taught in school alone. Yes, you heard me well. Your teachers are there to open the topics up to you, to introduce them to you. So what you have to do next is to go home on your free time, get your books and try to look at those things again. Try to look at them and understand it in your own way. And I tell you, what you taught yourself will remain in you because you taught yourself in the manner and in the way that you understand it. So don't rely on those things that you are taught in school alone. Get materials. Form those that you read with your friends. Meet together and try to look into those things again. And you see that while doing so, the topics will open up more to you. You will understand them more. You will see that there are things that you didn't understand while your teacher was teaching you. You will begin to understand them better. They will begin to open up to you. So don't depend on those ones that you are taught in school alone. Try to study them on your own to understand them better. Okay, the next tip is get materials. Yes, explore various mathematics textbooks and past questions. Meet your seniors, those that has passed through your level, and try to get some necessary materials from them and use them for your revisions. Also, utilize multiple online resources. There are lots of websites and apps that makes learning mathematics fun and interactive. Look out for them, search them, and make use of them. Also, form a forum, those that you read with. You should come together, ask yourself questions, and also teach yourselves. You will find out that by doing so, you will learn from them, while also they will learn from you. And by that, you are expanding your your and by that you are expanding your knowledge on mathematics. You will find out that learning mathematics is fun. The next tip is, do not be afraid to seek for help, whether from your teacher or from your mates. Don't shy away from that. Always meet your teacher and explain to him that you didn't understand this, that he should please put you through. And let me tell you, they are ever ready to help you. Like I used to tell my students that whenever they didn't understand anything, that they should come to me. If they didn't come to me, I would know that they did not understand it. I will only know when they approach me and tell me that they did not. But if they didn't come, I will assume that they understood it. And if they didn't ask for questions, I will also assume that they understood it. But once they come to me and tell me, "Ma, I did not understand this," then I will put them through. So always meet your teachers for help. Don't shy away from that. They are there to help you. Meet your teachers, meet your friends that actually know it, and those are above you. Meet them and ask them to put you through. And I bet you they will do that. They are ever ready to help you. So don't be afraid. Take the bold step in meeting them. The next we have here, and the final one, is find real life mathematics application. Try connecting mathematics in your daily life. In our day-to-day activities, we involve mathematics, from managing our time to budgeting our allowances and other things. So try to connect mathematics to your daily activities. These were the tips I used back then in high school, and it actually helped me stand out in mathematics. In my Form 9, a mathematics quiz was conducted among about 150 students, and I came out the best, the overall best. So I use these tips and they helped me. I'm sharing it with you, and I believe as you put them into action, they're also going to help you scale in your mathematics. To wrap it up, let's quickly summarize the 5 tips we discussed. Remember, having a positive mindset, studying on your own, getting materials, seeking help, and finding real life application are your best friends when mastering mathematics. So what do you think? I want to hear from you. Share your own mathematics challenges or victories in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching.